Tonight, millions from Texas to New York bracing for dangerous storms after a massive system Friday turned deadly. In Virginia, high winds blamed for a fatal tent collapse, the structure falling atop hundreds during a church event, killing one person and injuring 22 more.
Boom! It just went right over our heads.
Jordan Cragen and his family were inside the tent. Authorities stress was secured. Sharing one of the poles nearly hit his own children.
That was probably the scariest part of it. I do know there was a lot of heroes in that tent. I know I'm sorry, I get emotional just thinking about it.
Witnesses adding leaders tried to evacuate moments before the deadly gale.
The most powerful gust of wind I've ever been a part of. Picked that tent up. It was probably 100 feet in the air.
Nebraska residents waking up to a hailstorm, while in Illinois, new video capturing the aftermath of multiple tornadoes, shredding homes, toppling trees, and leaving Rick Houston with an incredibly close call in his basement.
I got under the steps, and I stayed under there until it was over.
Over the next 24 hours, as more thunderstorms head east, the risk of hail, high winds, and even potential tornadoes extends to millions from New York City to Washington, D.C.
And Morgan Chesky joins us live from Los Angeles. And Morgan, heat a growing threat for many folks as well?
Yeah, it is, Jose. This weekend, 26 million Americans are under heat alerts from coast to coast. And here in the West, cities like Portland and Seattle are on pace to potentially hit record highs, while in Charleston, South Carolina, today, that heat index, or feels like temp, topped 108. Jose?
Morgan Chesky, thank you.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.